What is going on, y'all? What's up? It's Aaron Buley. Just got back from hanging out with the DF Kit Car guys, Lonnie and Adam. Always a pleasure. Just picked up stage 2 and my stage 3 components, and I want to get into it and show y'all what is in the boxes. I am so super stoked. I now have all the pieces I need to get this thing running, and there she sits, just waiting on it. Here we are with the components. Let's just crack open the boxes and see what we got. It's like Christmas Day. Oh, I'm so stoked. All right, so let's just start with pieces that are not in boxes. Obviously, muffler, that will go right there on the back end of the engine. And obviously the hood, it is a fiberglass hood that I'm going to get wrapped in some sort of thing. I don't know. I'm thinking doing I don't know, I can't really, I've got a couple different ideas in my head, but I gotta find something. I mean, it looks kind of all right how it is, but I want to get some sort of design on it. But give me y'all's opinions. So this is the color scheme I've got going. Let me know what y'all think. What would look good with this? I'm kind of thinking some sort of like black multicam sort of thing. I don't know, I gotta figure that out. This is the windscreen, which is just plastic. And Lonnie, thanks for the advice for peeling this off so that way I could see through it better. Appreciate you, buddy. It also comes with a powder coated bracket to hold the windscreen to the hood. They were out of those, so you're gonna ship that to me here shortly. One of the other things that's missing here that's part of the stage 3 components are the racing seats, the Corbeau F1 seats. Those are gonna just get shipped straight to the house. So that's some extra tubing in case I need it for the brake and clutch lines. These are new shifter cables. This is a new radiator hose. Let me show you all this real quick. The original design had the radiator hose kind of coming down here and running right up against the alternator and going down. This they discovered fits a little bit better. Come out like that quite a ways and go right down. Seems like it fits perfectly. I think Adam said it was from like a 94 Explorer or something like that. I don't know what it was, but it seems to fit perfectly, which is awesome. And it will also give space for the air intake, which will run right through there as well. All right, let's crack into some of these boxes. Luke, by the way, I know you're watching this and I know you hate these sandals. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry that they don't do this in Australia. Very popular here in the US. Deal with it. What do we got here? Let's see what's in here. Steering column hardware. Intake hardware for turbocharger. Sweet. Can't quite tell what that is. I'll just put it near the steering column. What do y'all think of that wheel? It's not one of those quick disconnect ones. I kind of like some of the racing ones better that have the red line, maybe the D shape. I don't know. What do y'all think? Rear strut mount hardware. All right. Shifter hardware for SS kits. Okay. So this is what I was missing that I didn't realize I didn't have yet. So see these black things here? They're spacers to allow this to sit right on the frame. The shifter has to sit up a little bit from the frame. The spacers help with that. I was wondering about that, so cool. What else? We got some heater hose, not labeled. We'll figure out what that is. Just put that over here with all the extra hosing I've got. What's next? These are some charge pipe elbows, I'm betting. I don't know what else that would be. This is gonna be for the turbo. Let's see what's in this box here. Heat exchanger. Leave that in the box until we need it. Goblin hood hardware, side mirror hardware, LED tail light hardware, windscreen hardware. Okay, just various stuff. We'll put that there. Have I mentioned before how important it is to be organized when going through stuff like that? Thank you, Lonnie and Adam, for appropriately labeling those bags and telling me what's inside and all that kind of stuff. Very much appreciated. All right, back to the box. What else do we have in here? Ooh, brake calipers. Nice. I guess that's for my rears? I think I reused the ones on the front, and this is for the rears. Let's put it near the other brake calipers until we get that figured out. All right. Oh, labeled on the side. Perfect. Surely I didn't get 4 brake calipers. I guess I bought 4 brake calipers? I thought I reused the ones that I have. Okay, I guess I get 4. But I was super convinced I was at least gonna use these, which are dual piston, which maybe is too much for such a light vehicle. Hope y'all are appreciating this, because it's hot out here. Okay, we have 4 more boxes to go. And my wiring harness is in one of these. I'm guessing it's that one. Let's just get that out of the way. No, not the wiring harness. Oh, wiring harness. There's just extra stuff in there too. Sweet. Oh my goodness. This is what has kept me from firing this thing up. So as soon as I get that plugged into there, I can turn the ignition, fire that sucker up. Although I need to put in some more transmission fluid because I had to drain some out. What else do you have in here? This is, what is that? I don't know. Is that seat mounting hardware? I think so. Next up is PC toe link rack. Oh, boom, toe link rack. Oh, this is great. It's like my birthday. It's like Christmas morning. This is awesome. What do y'all think those are? I'm gonna bet headlight mounts. Boost gauge mount. That's because it's turbocharged. No idea what this is. It'd be sweet if it was just like a random K-bar in here or something. That is, I don't know. What do y'all think that is? Got some springy screws on it. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay, another bracket mount of some sort. I'm guessing, I don't know. What do y'all think that is? Yeah, okay. It's another one of those thingies. And yes, the wiring harness. Throwing this in on the next video. Getting this sucker fired up. Tail light, tail light. Whoa, Pro Flow air filter. Yeah, baby, that looks good. That color's gonna look real good against the frame color too. Auxiliary lights. That's gotta be the license plate light because you have to light up your license plate to be legal. That was something I got stopped for a few times when I had my CBR 1000RR and I moved my license plate mount up under the fender, right above the rear wheel. If you didn't have a light on there, they didn't like that. These have got to be the Dominator headlights. Yeah, there you go, Dominator headlights. And we have button panel kit. So this is going to go on either side of the instrument cluster to provide your horn, your turn signals, your accessories, if I want to add anything else, stuff like that. All right, we've got our rear view mirrors with integrated turn signals. These are from like a Suzuki Gixxer or something like that, but it works really well. There you go. Say hi to yourself, guys. Boom, turn signal. Okay, one more thing in this box, 3 more boxes to open. Looks like my intercooler for the turbo charge pipes here. Yeah, all right, cool. What's funny is how much smaller this is than the one that came off the Cobalt. The one that came off the Cobalt was like 4 times this size. 3 more boxes. Always cut away. Look what I just did. I just cut towards myself. Okay, more wiring harness stuff. That is battery cable, battery terminal stuff right there. 2 more boxes. This one's heavy. This one's gonna be jammed full of goodies. Or one big heavy goodie. Oh, cool. New rotors. For some reason I thought I reused the rotors I had as well. But yeah, there are 4 brand new rotors in here. Sweet, last box. We already talked about that. Here we go. Heat exchanger fan. I am not 100% sure on these. Front upright hardware. More turbo charge pipey things. Another random tube I'll need. Another turbo charge pipey thing. A couple of tie rod ends. Heat exchanger mount kit. Tunnel cap hardware. Brake hose hardware. Front shock hardware. A whole bunch of hardware in there. Outer rod end hardware. Inner rod end hardware. Yo, it's crazy hot out here. I'm gonna turn this fan on real quick. A couple more brackets, not quite sure what they do. We'll figure it out. I just turned this fan on. Look at that spider that's crawling on the fan about to blow on me. That's a wolf spider, right? Right, that's a wolf spider. That's not gonna hurt me. Woo! Oh. Okay, I'm gonna turn this fan off and carry you out into the grass. All right, go be free. I made quite the mess here that I'm gonna clean up after you guys get to go do whatever the heck y'all wanna do. And the rest of this is just kind of suspension-y stuff. Let's see what this is. Intercooler pump plug. Okay, I'm gonna guess it's an intercooler pump since the pump plug is connected. Yeah. Intercooler pump.
Lucky guess. I just lost $1. to myself.
And brand new, these are going to be front shocks. I'm going to reuse the rear shocks, I believe. I'm going to reuse those guys, and these guys, I believe, will go on the front. All right, y'all, I'm a sweat factory. I've made a sufficient mess. You've seen what's in the stage 2 kit. It's everything I need to get going. Stage 3 is just some of the extra stuff. It's a few of these things here. Technically, the hood, the windshield mount, the rear view mirrors and the turn signals, that's all stage 3 type stuff. There's some additional optional stage 3 things that you can get. You can get a tank cover, which I'm not sure I want yet, so I didn't order that. You can also get some side skirt panels, which I'm not sure that I want either, so haven't ordered those either. One of the other things I don't have yet is there's a rear wing, a rear spoiler here that I think completes the look. So I don't have that yet, but that's pretty much it. I've got everything I need to get this thing on the road and rocking. Now it's just a matter of time and effort. Again, any of y'all crazy people want to come over and help me out, I would love it. I would love it. Hit me up, text me, throw it in the comments, whatever. Come on over, turn some wrenches. Let's hang out, listen to some good music or whatever. All right, y'all, peace.